If affiliate marketing is not working for you, the problem may not be affiliate marketing. One broken part of your system could be stopping every sale. In this video, you will learn how to find that weak point and fix it, because creating more content will not help until you know what is actually broken. Here is the surprising truth. An affiliate link does not create demand. It does not create trust. It does not convince anyone to buy. The link only tracks a decision that your content already helped someone make. That changes how you should approach the entire business. But before we fix your strategy, we need to remove one dangerous assumption. Many beginners think affiliate marketing works like this. You find a product, you get a link, you publish the link. The commissions begin appearing. That sounds logical. It is also why so many people get no result. Affiliate marketing is not a link-sharing business. It is a decision-guiding business. People already rely on recommendations when they buy things. They read reviews before choosing software. They watch demonstrations before buying equipment. They compare products before spending money. They ask friends which service they should use. Affiliate marketing did not create this behavior. It simply created a way to track it. So your first job is not posting links. Your first job is becoming a useful source of guidance. Think about your own buying habits. Would you buy an expensive product because a stranger posted a link? Probably not. You would want answers first. Does the product solve your problem? Is it worth the price? What are its weaknesses? Is there a better option? Will it work for someone in your situation? Your audience wants those same answers. Yet most affiliate content skips them. It describes a few features. It adds a large button. Then it asks for the sale. That is like asking someone to marry you during the first conversation. The request arrives before the trust exists. People do not reject affiliate marketing. They reject recommendations that feel rushed, vague, or self-serving. That means your first question should not be, how can I get more people to click my link? Your first question should be, what does someone need to believe before this click makes sense? That question leads directly to the second problem, because even useful content can fail when it attracts the wrong people. Not all traffic has equal value. 1,000 visitors can produce fewer sales than 100 visitors. The difference is buying intent. Imagine two people searching online. The first searches, what is email marketing? The second searches, best email marketing platform for a small online store. The first person wants information. The second person may want to buy. Both visits appear inside your analytics, but they are not equally valuable. This is why large traffic numbers can create false confidence. You may be attracting curious people instead of ready buyers. Educational content still matters. It introduces people to your brand. It builds trust. It answers early questions. But you also need content for people closer to a decision. That includes product comparisons, detailed reviews, tutorials using the product, alternatives to popular tools, pricing breakdowns, and content explaining who should avoid the product. Each piece should serve one clear purpose. A beginner guide should educate. A tutorial should help someone complete a task. A comparison should help someone choose. A review should help someone judge one product. A case study should show a result. When one article tries doing everything, the message becomes weak. The reader does not know what to do next. Your audience also needs to be specific. People who want to make money is not a useful audience. That group includes millions of people with different needs. A college student has different limits than a business owner. A retired worker has different goals than a new parent. A beginner blogger needs different tools than a video creator. The broader your audience becomes, the weaker your message becomes. Compare these two statements. This tool helps people grow online. Now, compare that with this tool helps freelance designers send proposals and collect payments. The second statement feels stronger because it names a person. It names a task. It suggests a clear result. Your affiliate content should always answer 4 questions. Who is this product for? What problem does it solve? Why does that problem matter now? Why is this option suitable? If your content cannot answer those questions clearly, more traffic may only create more disappointment. But even the right audience will hesitate when your recommendation feels untrustworthy. And this is where many affiliate marketers lose the sale without realizing it. Online buyers know how affiliate marketing works. They know creators earn commissions. They know reviews can be biased. They know screenshots can be edited. They know testimonials can be selective. So trust cannot be assumed. It must be demonstrated. Trust grows when you explain the product's strengths, but it grows even faster when you explain its weaknesses. Tell people who should not buy it. Compare it with realistic alternatives. Show how it works in an actual situation. Explain where it may disappoint someone. A perfect review often feels less believable. Every product has limits. When you hide those limits, the reader becomes suspicious. When you explain them honestly, the reader can make a confident choice. That is an important distinction. Your job is not convincing everyone to buy. Your job is helping the right person decide. Sometimes that means recommending the product. Sometimes it means telling someone to choose another option. That honesty may cost 1 commission today. It can build an audience that trusts you for years. Let me ask you something. Which part of affiliate marketing feels hardest for you right now? Getting traffic? Earning clicks? Choosing products? Or converting clicks into sales? Write your answer in the comment. Your answer will help you identify where your system is breaking. Trust also depends on the product you promote. Not every affiliate offer deserves your audience's attention. Some products have weak demand. Some have confusing sales pages. Some cost too much for your audience. Some offer poor support. Some simply do not solve the problem well. You cannot overcome every bad product with better copy. Before promoting anything, ask yourself, does my audience already want this type of solution? Does it solve an urgent or costly problem? Can my audience realistically afford it? Does the sales page explain the offer clearly? Would I recommend it without receiving a commission? That final question exposes weak offers quickly. A high commission does not repair poor product fit. In fact, high payouts can tempt you into promoting the wrong thing. Then your audience senses that the commission matters more than their result. Once trust breaks, every future recommendation becomes harder. But product choice and trust are only part of the system. You also need enough consistency to learn what is actually happening. Many beginners quit before collecting useful information. They publish 5 articles. They post videos for 3 weeks. They share links on social media. Then they decide the business model does not work. But a small amount of random activity produces almost no reliable data. You need enough consistency to see patterns. Which topics attract the right visitors? Which headlines earn clicks? Which products receive attention? Which pages generate commissions? Which objections appear repeatedly? You cannot answer those questions after a few scattered attempts. No. Consistency does not mean publishing low-quality content every day. It means testing one clear strategy long enough to understand it. Choose one audience. Choose one main traffic channel. Choose a small group of related products. Create content for each stage of the buying journey. Then measure what happens. Do not change your audience, platform, product, and strategy every week. When everything changes, nothing can be measured. You never learn what caused success. You never learn what caused failure. This leads me to one of the most important lessons in affiliate marketing. I'm not getting results is not a diagnosis. It is only a feeling. You need to identify the exact stage that is failing. No traffic means you have a visibility problem. Traffic without clicks suggests weak relevance, trust, or link placement. Clicks without sales suggests poor product fit or a weak sales page. Sales without meaningful income suggest weak commissions or poor economics. Each problem requires a different solution. Imagine 1,000 people visit your review. Only 5 click the affiliate link. The merchant is probably not your main problem. Your content failed to create enough interest. Now imagine 300 people click. Nobody buys. Your content created interest, but the product audience match, price, or sales page may be wrong. These numbers reveal what your emotions cannot. Track 5 basic measurements: visitors to each page, affiliate link clicks, the percentage of visitors who click, sales generated from those clicks, and earnings produced by each page. These numbers turn frustration into direction. But there is one final reason affiliate marketing feels harder than expected. It is not one skill. It is a chain of connected skills, and one weak link can stop the entire result. Affiliate marketing requires audience research. It requires content creation. It requires traffic generation. It requires product evaluation. It requires trust. It requires conversion strategy. It requires measurement. You can work extremely hard and still struggle. You may create beautiful content nobody discovers. You may attract visitors who never intend to buy. You may promote products your audience cannot afford. You may send qualified buyers to a weak sales page. You may earn sales but choose programs with tiny commissions. Effort alone does not guarantee results. The right effort applied to the correct bottleneck creates progress. Think of the business as a chain. Traffic connects to trust. Trust connects to relevance. Relevance connects to clicks. Clicks connect to conversions. Conversions connect to commissions. When one connection breaks, the income stops. So do not respond by creating more random content. Diagnose the chain. Start with traffic. Are enough qualified people seeing your content? Then check clicks. Are those visitors interested enough to investigate the product? Then check conversions. Are the people who click actually buying? Then check earnings. Are those sales producing enough income? Find the weakest number. That is where your next improvement should happen. For example, if nobody sees your content, improve distribution. Learn search optimization. Create videos around specific buying questions. Build content for phrases people already search. If people visit but do not click, improve relevance and trust. Show the product. Explain the use case. Add a clear recommendation. Make the next step obvious. If people click but do not buy, test another product. Review the price. Study the sales page. Check whether the offer matches the promise in your content. If sales happen but income stays low, review the economics. Look at commission size. Consider recurring commissions. Promote products with stronger customer value. The answer is not always more work. The answer is often more precise work. And once you see affiliate marketing as a system, failure stops feeling mysterious. It becomes measurable. It becomes fixable. Here are the 3 most important things to remember. First, affiliate links do not create sales. Useful guidance, trust, and buying intent create sales. Second, traffic volume matters less than traffic quality. 100 ready buyers can outperform thousands of casual visitors. Third, do not guess why your results are weak. Measure traffic, clicks, conversions, and earnings. Then fix the weakest stage first. You are probably not failing because affiliate marketing cannot work. You are failing because one part of your system needs improvement. Do not publish another random post today. Open your numbers, find the bottleneck, fix that one stage, then measure again. By the way, if you want to learn how to build affiliate content for every stage of the buying journey, join my free affiliate marketing masterclass where I will show you how to build affiliate content for every stage of the buying journey and discover a system that you can set up that pays you up to 80 cents of every dollar generated. It's all over at homebizsimple.com. The link is in the description below. Okay? Okay.